All right, here I have a 2025 Jeep Compass, and I'm going to show how to do an oil change real quick. It is the 2.0 liter engine. The oil fill cap is right here, and then the dipstick is right here. So to make it super simple, at the bottom here you have your oil filter at the passenger side and your drain plug. It is a 13 millimeter. Again, it's super easy. Uh, and then if we torque it, it's at 20 foot-pounds for the drain plug. Now, if it does have a splashing at the bottom, the oil filter might have a shield also. You just remove the bolt and then it reveals it, whereas the drain plug just has like a slot. Mine didn't have a shield. And then the oil filter, this is the Mopar part, is 4892339BE. But then here's are some other options like Fram, PH 160, or Pure Later, another like common brand, and then Wix, which I think it's a pretty good brand. But so those are a couple options. And then when you fill it up, it is going to be 5W30, 5 quarts. You go full synthetic or synthetic blend as long as it meets the API thing. It says API SP or GF6A. They recommend Mopar oil, and if you see here, if you look closer, it'll have the specifications. It says ILSAC GF6A API SP. So that does meet the specifications. As long as you find an oil that meets the specifications, like this one right here, this is a Pennzoil one, Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic. And if you look in the back, it'll say that it is formulated for GF6A, API, SP, or exceed it. All right. And then to reset the oil life, there isn't like an option on the screen like on most Jeeps. What you have to do is you have to put it in the run position with the engine off, and then press down on the gas pedal all the way down 3 times. And then you turn off your car, turn it back on, and then the warning for the oil change should be gone. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.